So that's the results of day 2. I think that's as far as we're going to get for the next couple of days. So beautiful. Couldn't be more happier. So it's just basically clearing it all out down the hill. But apart from that, we're getting there slowly. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep following, because every day I'm going to pop a video on and see how far. Most likely we've got to cut all that wood first down there, as you can see down the bottom, because it's really, excuse me, it's really messy down there. And actually, as you can see down the bottom there, we're going to have to cut all that wood so we can keep the flow going down. We have to tidy up some of these dead trees along here, just so we can make it a bit more optimal. There's quite a few dead trees, and a few of them need to be trimmed so they can get regrowth. But apart from that, nothing's going to be trimmed that doesn't need to be trimmed. It just means that, you know, they'll be able to regrow fruit once they've had a decent trim, because nothing's been touched for years. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and hopefully in the next couple of days we'll see how we go, but I won't be putting one out tomorrow, probably the day after. Thank you.